everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new slime video for you, and I'm really excited because I bought all of Peachybbies jelly slimes that she had in one of her restock. So I'm really excited to review them. I'm going to be 100% honest and just kind of let you know what I think. I'm super excited to show you all the slimes that I got, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so I got 4 different jelly slimes from Peachybbies restocks. Those are all the jelly slimes that she had in that particular restock, and then I also got these 2 little extras here that they threw in for me, which I am so grateful for, and I believe they're both jelly slimes too, which are super cool, and I will definitely show you those. One of them I believe mixed, but that is totally fine, and then of course it came with some candy, which is awesome, and then I got the classic Peachybbies square slime care sheet / business card with some glitters in there and a cute little hedgehog. I want to show you the mini little grab bags. I thought they were so adorable, and they were really cool for being just like mini grab bags, you know what I'm saying? They were layered and they had foam beads, and I just thought they were so adorable, and I wanted to show you all. Y'all, they even inflate. I didn't even play with them for that long, and they inflated a little. It was super cool to watch. Now on to the first jelly slime. This one here is black cherry jelly, and it is scented like, you guessed it, black cherry. I just am obsessed with this jelly slime. I love everything about it. The color is amazing. The texture was perfect, and I really love the scent of this slime. It's like one of the best black cherry scents that I personally have ever smelled. I just am really obsessed with these jelly slime textures in this video. Spoiler alert, I feel like jelly slimes have kind of changed, but I feel like Andrea has still found like a happy middle from where they are now and what they used to be back in the day. I say it like it was 100 years ago. It really wasn't. I just am really loving the texture because it reminds me of jelly slimes like when they first came out. I feel like jelly slimes have kind of turned into icy slimes. But yeah, I feel like it's a really nice medium, and I love it. The next slime we have is Candied Egg Yolk. This is another jelly slime that has a huge pom-pom in the center of it, and this one I did like. However, it was my least favorite jelly slime from this video, or from my purchase, I guess you could say. I did enjoy the texture of it. However, I didn't like the huge pom-pom, and I know like that's like the whole aesthetic of the slime, but I feel like it was just more in the way, and it was kind of slippery because I feel like it didn't mix together, if that's what I'm trying to say. But I really liked how it looked like an egg. I thought it was super cute, and like just by looking at the slime, it's totally aesthetically pleasing to all the egg lovers out there. But I just didn't enjoy playing with it as much as the other ones. I still definitely will pick this one up and play with it. It's just not my favorite. Next up, we have the iconic blue bottle jelly, and y'all, this one was my favorite jelly slime probably that I have ever felt, and I even make jelly slimes. Like, I love this more than my own jelly slime. This slime is just so iconic. First of all, that glitter, it's like ultraviolet glitter, and when the light hits it, it's just so beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person. Like, I just wish I could literally take this slime to every single person's house in America and just ask them what they think about it, because it is that great. It's so beautiful. I don't think that it had a scent, but I could be wrong. But yeah, I just loved it. Again, a classic Andrea jelly slime Peachy Baby recipe where it finds like a happy medium. Why do I keep wanting to say medium? I mean middle. Happy middle of where jelly slimes used to be and where they are now. So I just really love it. And lastly, we have lemon water jelly. Now this one, I was super surprised at the scent because it actually smelled like lemon water. I was just expecting it to smell like lemon, but no, it smelled like water as well. And I was shook at that because I was like, how can you make it smell like water? Maybe it was just my mind like playing tricks on me, but to me, it legit smelled like lemon water. I loved the large lemon female slices. The only thing that I had a problem with about this slime were the large lemon female slices that stuck to the bottom of the container, so you didn't get that satisfying pull when you pull the slime out of the container. It kind of like stuck, but that's literally the only thing. So that is just purely for vanity reasons and, you know, just for aesthetic, I guess, for slime videos. But like judging the slime itself, it was amazing and I loved it. Alrighty y'all, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know if I should buy from other shops and like buy only one type of slime from them. Like I could do OG Slimes butter slimes, or I could do like thick slimes from Squishy Bunny. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below and I will definitely take a look at that. We could like possibly make this a series. I think that would be super cool. Also, another thing I want you to comment down below, let me know if you're out of school already, and if not, then let me know what day your school is over, because I want to post a lot of videos during the summer, but I want to make sure y'all are out of school so that y'all can actually see them. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much and I will see you all next time. Bye!